Alright, folks, let's talk about something that's as tiny as it is mighty, the Playdate. This little handheld beauty is not just another console. It's a retro gaming experience wrapped up in a colorful, pocket-sized package. It's like the love child of nostalgia and modern tech, made to deliver quirky, fun gaming on the go. So, what exactly is the Playdate? Well, it's a handheld console that brings you a bunch of retro games, but it's not like the ones you're probably used to. First off, it is a super reflective black and white screen that's definitely not backlit but still manages to look surprisingly amazing. Honestly, it's cooler than you'd expect. I mean, this screen doesn't even turn off when you're not using it. It turns into a low-power clock. Yep, the Playdate is that stylish. It's got a peppy little processor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth coming soon, and a surprisingly loud speaker. And when I say loud, I mean loud, like your neighbors will definitely know you're having a blast. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the looks. The Playdate is also full of fun features that take you back in time with some seriously cool retro vibes. Now, let's dive into the design. Playdate was crafted with the help of teenage engineering, and they really nailed it. The device is colorful, portable, and fits right in your pocket. It's small enough to take anywhere, and trust me, it's one of those gadgets that feels like it was meant to be in your pocket. Plus, the buttons perfectly clicky and the real showstopper. The crank. Yes, I said crank. It might sound like a gimmick, but trust me, it's not. This little analog controller flips out from the side and lets you precisely control the action. No, it doesn't charge the Playdate, but does it add a ton of fun? Absolutely. Some games, like Crankin's Time Travel Adventure, actually make great use of this crank, and it's honestly one of the coolest gaming controls I've seen in a while. I mean, how often do you get to say, I'm playing a game ... and I'm cranking it? But the fun doesn't stop there. Playdate isn't just a static gaming console, it's a dynamic experience. When you set it up, you'll start getting to brand new games every week for 12 weeks. That's right, 24 original games in total. Some games are short, others are longer, but all of them are designed to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Sure, not every game is going to be your new favorite, but let's be real, you'll have a great time trying them out. And the best part, you can even make your own Playdate games. They've made it super easy with their free SDK, and you don't need any fancy hardware to get started. And if you're not a game maker but still want to play, you can side-load games onto the Playdate like it's no big deal. Now, let's talk about the Playdate's versatility. If you're tired of looking at that tiny screen, and let's be real, sometimes you want a bigger view, there's the Playdate Mirror app. This little app lets you stream your gameplay to your computer, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. Perfect for recording your playthrough or just showing off your skills with an alternative controller. And all of this comes in at $199, which includes the full Season 1 of games, 24 titles delivered weekly at no extra charge. That's right, you don't have to pay a cent more for the first season of games. You do, however, have to cover shipping costs. But hey, they throw in a very nice yellow USB-C to USB-A cable, which is, almost worth the price of shipping, right? And if you're worried about keeping your Playdate safe while on the go, don't worry, there's a Playdate cover for $29. It's clean, it's cute, and it fits perfectly, all thanks to its magnetic design that aligns with the Playdate screws. Plus, when it's folded up, it kind of looks like an electronic ice cream sandwich. Delicious.